Our truss guys finally made it. There was an accident on the highway this morning involving 2 police officers and a crane, I understand. So that put him about 3 hours late, which is a bummer because it was nice and cool this morning, but now it's getting hot and we're going to be working through the hot time of the day. And then Mitch is just about to go on vacation, and this is not good. And then at the same time, our excavator showed up and wants to get going on his stuff. And just as he was starting to get going, then the trusses showed up. So sometimes that's just the way it works. This is good though. Once the trusses go up on the roof, we will be able to assemble the trusses in position pretty quickly. We just slide them every 24 inches and then put some blocking up there, and they will be roughed in within a couple of hours' time. And our excavator guy is getting ready to do the rockery. So we have a time lapse going on the truss delivery. Got the GoPro 5, and we have an external battery pack. All right, here we go. Yeah, he's still having trouble unhooking that. See, that is what he's trying to disconnect from there. So we're going to get a focus. There we go. Yeah, see, he's got that thing on this side, and then on the bar below he has another tab, and so he has to try and maneuver the trusses out between those two. Yeah, that's a lot of weight. There we go. Nice day, just hot. We'll walk back up here to my vantage point. We want our scissor trusses up. Yeah, I'm not sure what he's got going there. I think he's going to separate the load. So let's walk on over and see. You gotta split the bundle?
Yeah, you give me a hand and kind of give it a shove. See it right about here?
Okay.
Lower it down a little bit, yeah, just give it some momentum.
Okay. There we go. Okay, here we go. So he's got the chains are in the middle of the truss to pick them up flat and set them down flat. It's still tied together in two spots. So he's got to cut those ties. I think there were two bundle ties up in front here. There's two ties connecting these. I thought I saw them hooked together down here somewhere. Yeah, you know what? It's the bottom truss, or this truss is connected.
This one should have been with this back.
Yeah. That's great. If you put them both ends up, that'll be fine. So it's just a bundling issue. I'm going to move this over here a little bit. That's how you get wide angle with your Galaxy phone. You shoot at the screen of a GoPro. All right, here we go. Or I thought we were. More adjusting. Having some difficulties. Why? I guess when they bundled it, there's two halves of the girder truss, and they bundled the top half with the flat trusses, and then they bundled the other one with the lower trusses. So he wrapped his chains around both girder trusses and lifted it up, but the bottom trusses are strapped to the other one, so he was still lifting up the whole thing. All right, here we go. So this is what we've been waiting for, trusses. And these ones go over the bedroom area. You want to swing that around? Okay. 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 Well, it was a hot one today. 90 degrees right now at 5 o'clock. You can see we have a couple of the next trusses staged, ready to go up, and we had a bunch of special handling on the first truss. So that has been bolted to the wall with 6-inch timber lock bolt screws. We had to reroute some electrical conduits up there, cut back the siding so that we can get our 1/2-inch sheathing and roofing and flashing up under it. There's our bird blocking. Okay. And there's the rest of the trusses up there. These are the sister trusses up here. And those are the flat ceiling trusses over here. Okay, so it's a good, hard day. And I'm going to clean up and head home and do it all again tomorrow, Friday. Okay.